Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common skin concern that affects many of us: blackheads. If you're looking for natural methods to tackle these pesky blemishes, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore effective home remedies, skincare tips, and lifestyle changes that can help you achieve clearer skin. What are blackheads? Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand what blackheads are. Blackheads are a type of acne that occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Unlike other types of acne, blackheads have open pores, which allows air to enter. This exposure causes the buildup to oxidize, turning it black. Causes of blackheads: understanding the causes can help us prevent them. Common factors include 1. Excess oil production. Overactive sebaceous glands can lead to oily skin, making it easier for pores to become clogged. 2. Dead skin cells. When skin cells do not shed properly, they can accumulate in pores. 3. Hormonal changes. Fluctuations in hormones, especially during puberty or menstrual cycles, can increase oil production. 4. Poor skincare habits. Not cleansing your face regularly or using the wrong products can contribute to blackhead formation. 5. Environmental factors. Pollution and humidity can exacerbate the problem. Natural remedies for blackhead removal. Now that we understand what blackheads are and what causes them, let's explore some natural remedies to help remove them. 1. Baking soda scrub. Baking soda is an excellent natural exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a paste. Gently massage the paste onto your skin in circular motions for a few minutes. Rinse with warm water and follow up with a moisturizer. 2. Honey and lemon mask. Honey has antibacterial properties, while lemon acts as a natural astringent. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to your face, focusing on areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 3. Steam treatment. Steam opens up your pores, making it easier to remove blackheads. How to use: boil water and pour it into a bowl. Place your face over the bowl, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Steam your face for about 10 minutes, then gently exfoliate or use a blackhead removal tool. 4. Green tea scrub. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce excess oil. How to use: brew green tea and let it cool. Mix 1 tablespoon of cooled green tea with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Gently scrub your face with the mixture, then rinse with water. 5. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties, which can help reduce blackheads. How to use: apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the affected areas. Leave it on overnight and rinse in the morning. 6. Apple cider vinegar toner. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the skin's pH and has antibacterial properties. How to use: mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Apply the mixture to your face using a cotton ball after cleansing. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse with water. 7. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. Oatmeal acts as a natural exfoliant, while yogurt contains lactic acid that can help clear pores. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of yogurt to form a paste. Apply to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. Daily skincare routine. In addition to these remedies, maintaining a daily skincare routine is crucial for preventing blackheads. Cleanse twice daily. Use a gentle cleanser to remove excess oil and dirt from your skin. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliate your skin 1-2 times a week to remove dead skin cells. Avoid harsh scrubs that can irritate your skin. Moisturize. Even if you have oily skin, use a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Sunscreen. Protect your skin from UV damage, which can lead to increased oil production. Avoid heavy makeup. If possible, use non-comedogenic makeup products to reduce the risk of clogged pores. Lifestyle changes for clearer skin. In addition to your skincare routine, consider these lifestyle changes to further prevent blackheads. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants can promote healthy skin. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7–9 hours of sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to hormonal imbalances that increase oil production. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. When to see a dermatologist. While these natural remedies can be effective, it's important to remember that persistent blackheads may require professional treatment. If you find that your blackheads are not improving, or if you have concerns about your skin, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatments. Conclusion. Removing blackheads naturally is achievable with the right approach and consistent care. By incorporating these remedies and maintaining a good skincare routine, you can significantly reduce the appearance of blackheads and enjoy clearer skin. Remember, patience is key. Results may take time, but your efforts will pay off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and natural remedies. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.